In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set account nicknames in Bank of America online banking. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label your accounts with clear, memorable names, making it faster to find what you need every time you sign in. First, head to the Bank of America website and sign into your account using your secure credentials. Make sure you're on the official site and keep your sign-in details private. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen for the Profile and Settings option. It's typically in the main navigation area and opens a menu where you can manage your personal and account preferences. Within that menu, find the section called Account Settings. Under Account Settings, select Account Nicknames. This is the place where you can customize how each of your accounts is labeled so they're easier to recognize at a glance. You'll see a list of your accounts such as checking, savings, credit cards, or loans. Next to each one, there's a field where you can type your preferred nickname. This is your chance to make those labels truly useful. Choose short, descriptive names that reflect how you use the account. Things like household checking, vacation savings, or groceries card. Keep it simple, avoid including sensitive personal details, and remember that nicknames are just labels for your view. They don't change your account numbers or how your accounts function. After you've entered the nicknames you want, scroll to the bottom right of the page and click Save Nicknames. Take a quick moment to double-check spelling and make sure each nickname matches the account you intended. You can always come back and adjust them later if your needs change. Once you save, a confirmation message will appear letting you know your account nicknames have been updated. That's your signal that everything went through successfully. From now on, you should see those nicknames wherever your accounts are listed in online banking, and they'll help you spot the right account much faster. This can be especially helpful if you manage multiple accounts that look similar, or if you're budgeting and want a clear purpose attached to each account. And that's it. You've set up account nicknames quickly and securely. It's a small change that can make daily banking much more organized and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to update your nicknames anytime to keep your finances easy to navigate.